Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to Windows 11 easily on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, on your Windows 11 PC taskbar, search for the phone link. And here you can select your iPhone and complete the setup with the QR code. Use the cable connection if it's available also. You can customize the notification preferences and this helps your computer properly recognize your iPhone for syncing files, backups, and updates. Just install the iTunes. It's recommended, but it's optional also. And you can open the phone link app on Windows 11 and choose iPhone setup and scan the QR code using the iPhone camera. This lets you view notification, send messages, and make calls for your PC. Use iCloud for file access. Install the iCloud for Windows and sign in with your Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you connect iPhone to Windows 11 using both cable and wireless methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.